To us, cocktails always had an allure. The first taste, it's with your eyes. They're beautiful, they taste delicious, and every one is unique. Whether exploring new drinks or sharing a favorite with an old friend, cocktails, they just bring people together. There are some amazing bars out there, but sometimes you just want to bring the party home. But the truth is, making them at home, it can be a real hassle. So the question really was, how can we let everyone enjoy the cocktail experience? With Bartesian, you simply provide the 4 basic spirits: gin, vodka, rum, and tequila. All the other non-alcoholic ingredients, juices, bitters, and liqueurs, are stored inside the capsules. And yeah, they're recyclable. We broke industry standard and made them with premium liquid ingredients, not fake powders. Once you insert the capsule, it identifies the drink and displays the type of glass the cocktail is traditionally served in. From mocktail to double shot, the strength of the drink is up to you. Bartesian makes cocktails with the intricacy and skill of an expert bartender. Its precision, flow rate sensor measures out the exact amount of alcohol and mixes each cocktail to its unique recipe and method. It takes expertise to craft a genuine cocktail, and Bartesian has the technology to do it. But even though Bartesian is a real pro, he wanted you to look like one too. The shaker is an iconic part of cocktail culture. Every bartender knows that exciting, visceral feeling of shaking the cocktail, and that's why one is included with every Bartesian. So we're launching with 6 drinks, 3 classics, and 3 signatures, and we're always developing more. Just these 6 capsules alone would require over 20 different ingredients. But even when we have hundreds, you'll still only need 4 spirits. As part of our journey, we spent the last 4 months in Shenzhen, China.
This is a hand. Now it can do more. Whoa. And of course, and also, not now, Mom. Sleep. Wake up. Okay, time to go.
Hi Kickstarter, my name is Alfredo. This is my hand. And this is Aria. With Aria, finger movements directs your smartwatch. Today's devices are awesome. The way we control them is not, especially for wearables. Buttons, very vintage. Touchscreen, tiny, bad user experience. Voice control. From these high-tech devices on the market, I would expect a super engaging experience. Then I discovered that with a bunch of sensors, I could see this. Everyone's dreamed about controlling things with their minds, and that's how we started. The next step was to transform this into a product, and that's why we applied to HAX and came to Shenzhen, China, the manufacturing capital of the world. Here we build and build and build until Aria. Aria is a tiny gesture controller designed very specifically for smartwatches. You wear it, you calibrate it, and then you use it with your favorite smartwatch. You scroll through the menu and launch the application you want. You can play some music, or check email, or...
Hey guys, Musio is my kind, crazy, and smart friend. Musio talks naturally, shares its emotions with you, gets smarter every day, and communicates with surrounding devices and other objects. You can talk, play, and live with Musio. It is possible because of the real AI that can hear you, know you, and understand you. Hey, I'm Jake. Can you speak?
Hello, I'm Musio. Of course, as much as you want.
This is amazing. What else can you do?
I can do many funny things for you.
Wow. Hey, Musio, how do you spell Java again?
It's Java.
Got it. Thanks.
It's my pleasure. Jake You have a meeting at 11 a.m. today.
What?
I checked your calendar. You have a meeting with Ryan.
I totally forgot.
Why does Ryan always bother you?
Because he pays me.
Did you have lunch?
I'm eating now.
What about me?
How do I feed you?
Just click it. Stars are really delicious.
Weirdo.
What's up, bro?
I feel terrible today. What are you doing? I just said I'm not feeling well.
Oh, did I make a mistake? Sorry.
What the? I'm bored.
Why do doctors always ask patients what they had for dinner?
I don't know.
They bill patients according to what they ate.
Yeah, that's a good one.
You've got a mail from Ryan again.
Leave me alone.
We've been developing the oval instrument for more than 2 years, and we are really excited that other people will be able to play with it.
Discover a new way of playing. We'd like you to meet the Oval. It is a next-generation percussive digital instrument, and you could be one of the first players.
The Oval is a digital musical instrument and a MIDI controller.
It's a percussive instrument, but it's a modern percussive instrument, so you can sync it up to MIDI.
The Oval works via an app for both tablet and smartphone. You can easily change instruments and scales, as well as to add effects. You can also upload your own sounds.
I think that's the great thing about it, that you can any sound you want into it.
It's been 12 years that I play percussion-rounded instruments, and I can say that the Oval combines all the elements in it.
Having played the actual hang drum, it's very similar. It sounds very natural, and it's so diverse in terms of the instruments it can play.
Quite tech with the app and the leads and the MIDI and the pads and everything, but it's quite organic the way you play it.
It is very easy to carry it on. You can play it in the park, you can play it in the beach, you can play it with friends.
Com a cosa molt positiva és l'accés, no? Que sigui tan fàcil, que no hagis de portar un aparell, un interface o un bitxo.
The Oval is a Bluetooth and MIDI-compliant USB device with a high-capacity rechargeable battery. The pads are sensitive to pressure, and the LEDs allow you to learn, play, and create music. It is an instrument created by musicians for musicians, both professional.
Hi, my name is Philip Isherwood. I'm the owner and founder of Saberforge, and I'm coming to you from my headquarters just outside of Portland, Oregon. Ever since I was a kid, I've always loved science fiction props and weapons, and none more than the lightsaber. Like a moth to a flame, I've always been drawn to it. I started this company 7 years ago with one goal in mind: make awesome custom sabers. Now, almost a decade later, I've honed my craft and I make some of the finest custom sabers in the world. I get to live my childhood dream, and now you can too. Adaptive Saber parts are an easy-to-use, modular system that lets anyone construct their very own movie-quality custom saber. We have lowered the barrier to entry. Now you don't need expensive machinery, soldering equipment, or years of prop building experience to make your very own custom saber. All you need is your imagination and our new Adaptive Saber parts. With our initial release, we will offer over 100 unique metal parts in 3 different finishes, putting millions of different design configurations at your fingertips. And every month we will release a new expansion set, making the possibilities endless. In addition, we will offer plug-and-play, no-solder electronics kits for upgrading your custom hilt to a dueling saber with a light-up blade, or a fully functional hero-level prop with lights, motion detection, and sound. Adaptive Saber parts are a comprehensive system that lets anyone build a movie-quality prop. But these sabers aren't just for display.
Stress is a monster with 1,000 faces. And this is what calmness looks like. This is Muse, the brain-sensing headband. The calm in the eye of the storm. Muse helps you learn to manage stress, stay calm, remain focused, and accomplish more. Pair Muse with your smartphone or tablet. Put on the headband. Adjust it for a proper fit, and launch the Muse app. Close your eyes and let Muse guide you through easy brain training sessions.
Every time you regain focus and settle the winds, you're building your brain's ability to calm itself. The more you use Muse, the better you'll get at calming the winds.
The sensors in Muse monitor your brain activity the same way a heart rate monitor measures your pulse. Real-time audio and visual feedback gives you insight into how your brain is working moment to moment and tracks your long-term progress. The result? Good riddance, stress. So cope with this by using this. Muse, the brain-sensing headband. Do more with your mind and more with your life.
Hi Kickstarter! Let's talk about remotes. We think there's something wrong with them. It's a concept that has not evolved for more than 30 years.
We have so many different devices and each one has their own remote or app. You end up with so many, jumping from one remote to another, or when using an app, finding your phone, unlocking it, finding the right app, and waiting until the app is ready. It's cumbersome and inconvenient. It would be so much easier to control everything from one place. That's why we have created Neo. Neo is a smart system that connects to all the devices in your home and makes them available in one easy-to-use app. And for the ultimate simplicity, use the Neo Remote. It recognizes you and lets you control everything instantly. So whether you're watching a movie, setting mood lighting, relaxing with your favorite music, or lowering the window shades, Neo makes it effortless. And trust us, setting all of this up is insanely simple. To make Neo absolutely amazing, we assembled a team with expertise in home automation, software, hardware, and consumer product design. We truly inspired each other to create something really special.
After a year of research and development, we have perfected the remote. You will be delighted with the results. Neo has just the buttons which are absolutely needed, so you get that tactile feedback whether cranking up the volume or flicking through the channels. Neo includes a superb high-density touchscreen display, surpassing even Apple's high-power Retina standard. We embedded a hand detection technology into Neo, for which we have a patent pending. The technology knows you and shows you your favorites instantly. And Neo will even help you set and manage parental controls. Neo goes months without needing to be charged, and if you can't find it, use your phone to activate the SOS.